Ready to unlock a world of free entertainment right on your Samsung Smart TV? First, grab your Samsung Smart TV remote. We're going to start by heading to the Apps section. Navigate to the Apps icon, usually found on the home screen, and select it. Once you're in the App Store, look for the search bar. It's usually at the top. Click on it. Type in Amazon using the on-screen keyboard. You should see various Amazon apps appear in the search results. Scroll through the results until you find Amazon miniTV free video. Select it. Now click the Install button to download and install the Amazon miniTV app on your Samsung Smart TV. Wait for the installation to complete. It might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once installed, the Install button will change to Open. Click on Open to launch the app. And there you have it. You're now inside Amazon miniTV. Browse through the various shows, movies, and content categories. Select anything that catches your eye and start enjoying free ad-supported entertainment on your Samsung Smart TV. Happy watching!